Students, children, we know that from 2nd of November we are starting with our half yearly examinations, and I really hope that you are fully prepared for your half yearly examinations, as they are very important. And we are going to see that whatsoever the assignments were given to you and whatsoever the task was given to you, that was doing the assignments, learning them, preparing them, working hard, how much you have done justice to that, right? So from 2nd of November we are starting with our half yearly examinations. The syllabus is with you, the timetable is with you. You have each and every video relating to the syllabus and related to the topics which are there in the syllabus. Little bit of the syllabus which is reduced, or if I say that which is revised, is mentioned in the videos. It is covered in the videos. So I really want you to not panic and revise the syllabus according to the content given, and according to that content you just watch the videos on the channel of our school. Each and every video is available of each and every subject, so you do not panic. See the contents, and according to the content you just watch all the videos whatsoever it is given. Also, you can revise from your assignments which are done, right? Also, you can revise the checkings which I have done through mails, the questions that we have given through the Current Diary app. You can go through that, and you have maintained your registers, you have maintained your notes. Study according to that notes, right? Nothing apart from that syllabus, apart from those notes will come, right? But definitely, like I said in the previous video also, that tricky questions will be there. But tricky question doesn't mean that it will be out of the syllabus or it is going to be from anywhere else, right? Tricky questions will be there, but it is related to the content only. It will be related to the syllabus only, right? So I wish every one of you very best of luck for your upcoming examinations. I hope, and I really hope, that you will do very well. Be very fair while giving the examination, children. Do not use any unfair things. Do not use any unfair mode of giving the examinations. We know that we are not over there to supervise you, to have an eye on you, but that doesn't mean that you are not going to play fair with yourself. So it is not about we, it is not about the teachers, it is not about the school, it is not about the world, it is about you. You have to be fair with yourself. If this time you don't be fair with yourself, I don't think so that you will be fair with yourself in any time of your life, because this is not only your written examination, but this is also your self-examination, because you are going to examine yourself. You are going to sit at home, do those papers which will be given to you without any teacher, without any head on your head, right? So it's more than a written examination, it is your self-examination time. So I really hope and I really wish that you will be fair with yourselves, and I wish every one of you very best of luck. Meanwhile, we have Dussehra also, so I also wish you a very happy Dussehra. But during this Dussehra period, do not forget to study, right? So we will be continuing with the revision session, okay, of commercial studies. Whatsoever there are few topics are there which is important or which requires a little bit of brushing up, so we'll do that, right? Come on, let's get started. Class 9th, we have almost done all the chapters, and I have revised almost all the chapters with you, right? So we have done commercial and non-commercial activities. We have done business activities also, profit and non-profit organizations. Then we have done this classification of commercial organization also, right? Marketing and sales also we have done, right? Banking also we have done. I am going to revise banking with you first. That is on page number 197. So turn your pages to 197, 197. Now I have done the meaning of banking with you. The meaning of banking means that banking is a process, right? Banking is the process of providing the services or related to the financial terms, which is depositing or withdrawing or accepting deposits and granting loans, right? So this is the process which is known as banking, whereas banks means institution. Bank is the institution where all these services can be availed, right? So types of banks we have two types of banks, central and commercial. Central bank is that bank which is the apex monetary institution of our country and which does not deal with the general public. Central bank deals with the central bank deals with the commercial banks, and whereas commercial banks does not deal with the central bank, but it deals directly with the general public. We have the difference, right? You just do the difference. Then we had a few banks: industrial, merchant, exchange, agriculture, cooperative, post office, saving banks, etc, etc. So whatsoever banks I have done in the videos with you, you just do that and leave the rest. Then there were some functions which were performed by the commercial banks, like accepting deposits. Now how does it accept deposit? It accepts deposits through fixed deposits, then we have saving deposits, then we have current deposits and recurring deposit. Video on this is already made. Then granting loans, loans and advances, cash credit, overdraft, discounting of bills. Then we have types of banks account. First was current deposit bank account. Then we have a saving deposit account, then recurring deposit account, and the last was fixed deposit account. Now these were the types of accounts that we have done, and this chapter was finished previously, right? So next I am coming to marketing and sales, chapter number 10, page number 73. Now what is marketing? You know, in this also I have made a video on this chapter. So you know what is marketing? Marketing is a process of discovering and translating human wants into products and services, and then in return making it possible for more and more people to enjoy more and more of these products. So this was marketing. Then marketing research, you know what is marketing research. Then we had product planning and development. Then we had pricing, then we had promotion, then we had selling and distribution. The topics that I have covered in the videos will only are important to discuss, right? So these are the two topics that I haven't discussed in any of the videos, like revised in any of the videos. Otherwise I have revised each and every topic, each and every chapter. Commercial and non-commercial activities, you know, the activities which are done for earning money are commercial activities, and the activities which are done for not earning money or for satisfaction, personal satisfaction, are non-commercial activities. Business activities, again business activities, you know, right? In this characteristics, you do the characteristics, you do the types of business activity, you do nature and types of industries, what is the meaning of commerce, what is the nature of commerce, okay, do that. Then profit and non-profit organization, again you know what is profit and non-profit organization. Organizations which work for earning profit, for earning money, are profit making organizations, and the organization which does not work for earning money are non-profit organizations. Then you have classification of commercial organization. Now commercial organizations are classified on the basis of ownership, so you do only those which I have covered in the videos, okay? Otherwise no need to do extra, right? Then we have sole proprietorship. You just do the meaning of sole proprietorship, features, merits, and that is it. Hindu undivided family business, you can leave this, right? Partnership, joint stock company, cooperative society, just do the meanings, and means just do whatsoever I have given in the videos, right? Whatsoever assignments were given on and the videos that I have covered, you just do that, right? Other than that, I don't think so that you need to panic on anything, right? Still you have few days to mail me your problems. I am going to solve your problems, I'm going to solve your questions, and I am going to reply to your queries through the mails, right? So any problem you have in any of the topic, with your given ID, with your appropriate ID, you can mail me your questions, your problems on time, right? And all the best for your examinations, right? See you, bye bye.